There's really no co-op that's like Powder River Energy. When you look at the terrain we've got in the Bighorn Mountains and near Devil's Tower, but then we've got large swaths in the Powder River Basin where you've got line of sight for a long way. As you talk to other co-ops, you get people who have got large meter densities in neighborhoods. We don't have that. We've got just a few members per mile in a lot of areas.
We have roughly 120 employees serving 16,000 square miles, 28,000 meters, so we're not quite 2 meters a mile.
We had an AMR system, we had the Turtle system, and it reached the end of life, and the software vendor wasn't going to support the software anymore. So we were going to have to make a move. We really wanted to capitalize on some of the options that you could get for a wireless RF type system.
One of the objectives on our strategy is to leverage accelerating technology. The member expects the best value out of the kilowatt hours that we're providing to them. We see technology as a way for us to maximize those dollars.
We had transitioned to an RF system from another vendor, and so putting in that system and looking at the possibilities from an AMI system, going right from the meter, you get half-hour data from that meter. You can tell when it's off, you can turn it off, you can turn it back on, you can get all the voltage and current information from it from 100 miles away. Providing that to every member, giddy up. That's a huge level of service we can provide to members.
We had some good conversations with NRTC. NRTC had some design folks on their side, kind of gave us the initial blush of what design would look like. As we worked through the project, we were able to design on the fly just a little bit to incorporate what the field guys were seeing.
The amount of information that we can gather, and it's right at our fingertips. Troubleshooting service issues, getting instantaneous data right away. Before we'd have to bring the meter in and do everything inside. Now it's something where we can push it out over the air.
The speed of the data coming in and the amount of data coming in, if you've got good solid signal to a meter, you can pull everything off of that. You can change firmware in the meter, you can change all those pieces because you've got such a large communications pipe.
It's very reliable. We're running at that 99.7 read rate.
I'm extremely happy with the system, happy with the project as it's turned out, happy with the NRTC team. If I looked at this system on kind of the front end and on where we are now, I don't think I could have asked for better performance.